Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show geomorphic indices. There are so many geomorphic indices. Among them, today I will show Basin asymmetric index. Basic asymmetric index is the index that show basin tilting. Uh, for calculating basin indices, scientists or researchers are develop a formula that's a that is BA, that's mean basin asymmetric index, is equal to AR, that's mean area to the right side of the river, and divided by AT, that's mean total basin area. If the BA, that's mean basin asymmetric index value came to 50, and that indicate the symmetry basin. On the other hand, if the basin asymmetric index value came to less than or more than 50, that indicates tilting basin. Here we need two things. One is basin area to the right side and total basin area. So for calculating these geomorphic indices, we need to take the help of GIS environment, any GIS environment, or we can do manually. From topo sheet, you just delineate a basin area, and with the help of planimeter you can do. But in GIS, I show today how to calculate this indices in GIS environment. So go to ArcGIS. I use ArcMap, and here my basic need. One is stream, that means river shape, and another is basin boundary. So my first mission is divide this basin according to right side and left side. This river flow is to west, from this side to this side. According to their flow structure, so that side, that's mean upper portion of the river is right side and lower portion of the river is left side. So my first work is convert this polygon, that's mean whole the river basin area to a line feature. So for that, here click the search option and type here polygon to line, and just click search option here. And here the second link, polygon to line, just click here and input feature basin boundary and choose output location, and type here any name according to your choose and save here, and just click OK. It's okay, and it's finally done. And just uncheck the basin boundary. So it actually it's done. And after that, for dividing the basin area, we need to merge the all thing matlab all thing, that's mean the basin boundary and river shape. And here geoprocessing tab, and click here merge option and select line and stream and drag it here, and choose the output location and save it and click OK. it is also done. And next step is the final task. uh, Now convert this Mars line features to polygon feature. For that, just click here search option and type here features to polygon. Just type here features to polygon and click here search option, and first link features to polygon, just click here and drag it. Same thing, uh, choose your output location, save it and click OK. And not need this search menu, just close it and uncheck all. So now click the identification tool here, identification tool, identification, and just show it's divide according to our need. The basin divided according to our need. Upper side is right side and lower side is left side. Okay. And now we need the area. For that, go to the attribute table here and add here add field area and type double and click OK. And go to calculate geometry, area automatically here selected, and unit you can choose any unit whatever you need, and here I choose square kilometer and OK. So already area also done. So same thing I need to calculate the whole basin area also. Here the formula AR divided by AT. So I for my already done for my basin, whole basin here. Huh? uh, for time consuming, already done. It also done the same thing previous one. And for that, I need the area of right hand side. So just identification tool and click here, and here is the area is 16.57. So final text is go to final text to calculate. We need to need to take the help of Excel sheet. And here is the I already done this. AR is 16.57 and 80 that's mean total basin area. So here identification tool and just click, and area is 33.36. 33.36. And final task is here, just type equal to and AR divided by, sorry, and type equal and AR, sorry, it is something wrong. So we need to change, I think need to change the base sheet, total sheet. I want to open a new Excel sheet. My new Excel sheet is open. So first thing AR 80 80 and BA. BA. Here AR is equal to 16.57 and 80 is equal to 33.36. Now Basin asymmetry index is equal to AR divided by 80 and just okay, and it is showing friction. For round number you just you multiply it by 100 and click here and into 100, and the final result is showing that its Basin asymmetry index is 49.67, and according to the formula it is a tilting basin because it showing the less than value of 50, but it is very small tilting here. It is 49.67 is near to the 50. So so uh, uh, so I hope you all are understood how to calculate Basin asymmetry index, and for more land geomorphic indexes, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video you can comment, you can share to your friend. Thank you for watching my video and with me. Okay, thank you.